Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Today in this video I am going to tell you how to turn off sticky key in Windows 11. So let's start the video. Just click on Start button and go to Settings. After that, click on Accessibility and scroll down and just click on Keyboard, and you can see here sticky keys. So by default the sticky keys function is enable. So let's check. Just press 5 times shift button. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see the sticky keys option is enable. Okay, so just close it and turn off this button. Okay, now it has been disabled. So let's check again. Press 5 times shift button. 1 2 3 4 5. You can see the sticky option will not display. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.